Hey, yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Tag from Pro Wrestling Tag. You know what I mean? As of this recording right now, it is July 30th, 2025, 2:45 p.m. You know what I'm saying? This is the second video of the day. You know what I mean? And I definitely want to make this video because, you know, especially with this topic, because when I heard this was actually from yesterday. And I posted this in my website. Tag, you know, pwnews.blogspot.com. It's in the description, right? Let me sip some water. And so when I read this, I just was laughing because I was like, so wait a minute. First and foremost, you do this now. You drop the story now, you know, at a time where your competitor dropped a show, a highly anticipated show, right? And now all of a sudden you wanna come and report this nonsense, which I think is complete bullshit. So according to Bryan Alvarez, right? Take this with a grain of salt. Take this with a big grain of salt. AEW, right? Tony Khan, you know, announcers, agents, and referees are now doing production meetings, right? Before shows. And I'm like, okay, you're doing this now? Now you're fucking doing this? Now you're doing production meetings before shows? Now all of a sudden? I call bullshit. I call pure bullshit on that. I call bullshit because, number one, even if they were doing production meetings, nothing's really happening. Like, you're not really seeing a difference. You know what I mean? You're not seeing a fucking difference. That's number one. Number two, in order for you to do production meetings, you need something called, a writing team. A fucking writing team. You need a motherfucking writing team, right? AEW has no writing team. They have no writing team whatsoever. Like, there's no, you know, they don't have a bunch of writers and such. They don't have no creative, no creative writers and such, you know. And how the fuck can you do production meetings with people who has nothing but, creative control? How the fuck is that going to work? How's that going to work? He said before shows start, meaning that day they have production meetings. Before, how the fuck is that possible? How's that possible? I call bullshit on that. You know what this is? You know what this is about? All this is basically about, the WWE Unreal series and how, how people claim that, WWE Unreal is ruining the business. It's ruining the backstage. It's ruining the business because they're exposing stuff backstage and blah, 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 blah. Right? What about, and I know I'm going off topic, but I'm going to circle back to the AEW stuff, right? What about with documentaries that we see? Huh? What about with documentaries we've seen, like, exposing pro wrestling secrets and everything else? What about that? What about documentaries like that? Huh? What about that? Do you want to explain that? But let me circle now back around to AEW. I mean, I find this laughable because, how the fuck do you have production meetings for people and, you use a lot of people and then you put people on the shelf. Use people, put them on the shelf. Use people, put them on the shelf. That don't make any sense. That clearly don't make any fucking sense to me. That clearly does. You know what I think these quote-unquote production meetings are basically about? All the fucking, the what's his face? The bullet points and everything else. What to add in bullet points and such. They're not doing production meetings to let you guys know what they're going to do next week and the following week and so on and so forth. They're not doing that. You know what I mean? They're clearly not doing that. You know, Bryan Danielson doesn't enter these production meetings, right? You know, probably Jennifer Pepperman, and that's another thing too. Maybe Jennifer Pepperman is in these production meetings, and she's putting out what she wants to happen to Mercedes. I mean, come on. This company's a joke. This company is a fucking joke. They have no creative. There is no creative there. You know what I'm saying? They have no creative whatsoever. You know, the shows are garbage, right? And that's another thing too. If they do have production meetings, right? Everything all goes through one person and one person only. Excuse me. Let me sneeze one more time. Hold on. Let me see if this comes up. All right, it's not coming up. You know, everything goes towards one person and one person only. Tony Khan. So you're gonna see production meetings. Really now, production meetings. Okay. All right. No problem. The show's still garbage. The show's still trash. Nothing flows. And there you go. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to have sickos mad at me what I'm saying, but I don't give a fuck. I do not give a fuck. You can suck my dick for all I care. All right? You can lick my nuts because, you know, nothing is ever going to change with AEW. Nothing. Sorry to burst your bubble, but there you go. I'm about to be out. You know what I'm saying? I will be coming with another video tonight. So I'm going to holler at y'all. All right? Peace.